Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus in your studies also. So today I attempted SBI clerk mains mock test number 2 from Olive Board and I'm gonna share the scores now. So in general awareness I attempted 18 questions because in general awareness like this is mains mock test number 2, but the question, so that's why the questions were from the previous months, like from the very start months, and no questions were there from like July, June. So that's why I could only attempt 18 question, but yeah, this is fine. Then in English I attempted 39 questions. In quantitative aptitude I attempted 14 questions. I'm gonna tell you the reason why, and I'm gonna tell you that the mistake which I made and some suggestions also. Plus I will discuss about the level of the mock test also after showing the scores. So in reasoning I attempted 26 questions. So total I attempted 97. Okay. Then in GK 12 questions were wrong. In English also 12 questions were wrong. I'm gonna tell you why. Then in quant 1 question were wrong. In logical reasoning 4 questions were wrong. So total 29 questions were wrong out of 90, around 97 questions which I attempted. Yeah, and this is a huge amount, like the accuracy is not that much good, and this is the reason of getting less marks. Then this is the score, like in GA I got 3 marks. Then in English I got 24. In quant I got 12.75. In reasoning I got 25.50. Okay, so this is the rank in all the subjects, and this is the percentile. In reasoning and English the percentile is good, but in GA the percentile is very bad, and in quant it is 82. And this is the top score which you can see, and this is the time which I took while solving the questions. Okay, now the other thing is, like, there is nothing. Yeah, this is the thing. So you can see that time spent on unanswered questions. So here I spent 23 minutes on the unanswered questions in quant, and the reason was that in quant there were two DIs, and like I won't say that the level was that much high of PO mains level or anything. All the questions in quant were doable except 3 to 4 questions. All the questions were doable, and there was one DI in which, like, it was a typical DI, like the tricky one, in which some of doctors and teachers, like, it was a tricky DI, and I thought that it is a simple DI, so I should solve it. And I spent lot of time in collecting the data because we had to extract the data from that DI, and it was quite lengthy, so I wasted my time. And after that, when I moved to the question, when I completed, then I saw that the data was not sufficient to answer the questions, and like I did not know the way to collect the rest of the data. So that's why I spent like lots of time in quant, but I did not choose the questions at first. This was my mistake. Like, the arithmetic questions were very easy in this mock test. Quantity questions were also very easy. After that, the approximation questions were easy, and there are two DIs which were very easy, but I selected the other two DIs which were tricky, and I just got trapped and I could not solve them properly. Okay, so this happened with me in the quant. Then in reasoning I found the puzzles a little bit tricky, so I did not attempt any puzzle in this mock test. I attempted miscellaneous questions and I could not solve any puzzle. In English, what happened is, in English, like, there was some silly mistake. There were questions in which some answer of a phrase was given, that the meaning which cannot fit in the fill in the blank. We had to choose the meaning which cannot fit in the blank, and I chose all the meanings which could fit. So this was like, I read the statement wrong, and that's why the question was wrong, and there is lots of negative questions and negative marking in English also. So this was my score. And if you want to know about the level of Olive Board mock test, and if you want to try, then I will give you the link of Olive Board mock test in the description. It will be a free mock test. You can go and attempt and see how much you are scoring in the Olive Board. Okay, So that's all for this video. Thank you and have a nice day and all the best for your preparations.